And achieving more with less is nowhere more apparent than AVN's Crew and Asset Protection Program. It was put in place to safeguard inspections performed over hostile territory.
AVN has in its possession 4 Challenger aircraft which are specially modified, as you can see, to perform flight inspection missions throughout the world. Because these aircraft are so rare, and there are only 4 of them on the planet, we were doing everything we can to both protect these aircraft and protect the crews who fly them. The Crew and Asset Protection Program is what that's about. It started with repainting the aircraft to a sky blue, which reduces the visibility so that when they're in hazardous areas, they're harder to see. We've also installed a ballistic panel system which protects the flight crew from any kind of small arms threat. In addition to that, and the pinnacle of this effort has been the installation of the Large Aircraft Infrared Countermeasure System. Essentially, the LAIRCM installation consists of a small laser transmitter assembly, which is the turret under the back of the airplane that defeats the threat. It consists of 4 MWS sensors, which are positioned around the aircraft to detect the launches and track the incoming missiles. Then there's a processor installed in the aircraft, which is essentially the computer for the system. The installation's already been accomplished, and today we're testing it and then doing a certification procedure which signs it off, and then it's ready to go into battle.
And the fact that FAA crews and equipment are ready for battle is due in large part to Mark Whittington's passion and his drive to be the best.
Okay, power's on in 3, 2, 1, power on. Okay, now it's initiating an auto foresight.
Mark is a mechanical system engineer. He's highly experienced. I've had the pleasure of working with him for the last 15 years. He was a project lead and liaison on the LAIRCM project. The success of the project and its timely completion was in large part due to Mark's efforts.
Oh, Mark's a great guy, very enthusiastic, very patriotic. He really cares about our nation, our people.
Mark gets highly involved in everything that he does. He's very tenacious in that he starts with the end in mind, and he will pursue that goal. And I truly believe he's a rescuer by nature, and that when he sees people struggling, he's willing to sacrifice himself and his time to ensure their success.
Part of the magic that we accomplish here at AVN, and one of the really rewarding things that occur, is that because of the way the organization is arranged, because where initiative is rewarded, that our management structure supports people making a difference. And it's really tremendously satisfying to work in an organization where an individual can make a difference, like LAIRCM or the ballistic panels and many of the other projects we accomplish here. And these aren't things that just one person does. It takes a team of people to do, and each person on that team knows that their input is valued and that they in fact can bring ideas to the table and collectively can turn out a product that's better than anybody else.